I'm Alison from Bag Ladybird Learn to Sew, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer markings from your pattern to your fabric using Tailors Tacks. So I have got my needle threaded up and a double length of thread. Just want your ends to be close together so that it makes your Tailors tack easy to see, finish, keeps it neat. Okay, so you're going on the Tailors tack correct for the size you're making, down from the top, pull your needle through underneath and leave yourself approximately an inch or between 3 centimetres, approximately 3 centimetres. Then you want to come up on the other side of the small circle, drill hole or whatever marking you're following, and then you want to go back down again close to your original down, leave yourself a loop of a similar size to your tail, and then come up again close to your previous up, and then you can chop your threads off there. So we'll just take these pins out and I will show you how to remove and separate your Tailors tacks. So just holding your paper gently, just hold your threads as well and just pull those threads through your paper. I've ripped it slightly, but if you're going to use the pattern again, just put a little bit of masking tape or magic tape on there just to protect it for future use. And now we just separate the two layers of fabric like so. You've got 2 rows of threads basically, and then just snip them about halfway in between. You've got a tuft on this side and a tuft on that side, a loop which would secure that one, and underneath you've just got it flat to the fabric because you pulled it tight underneath. But they will stay in place while you're working your garment until you need them. But I normally keep them on the pattern. I don't cut the Tailors tacks or pull them through the pattern until I'm ready and I need that pattern piece. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.